Hey, what's up you guys? If you're going to be towing a trailer with your Kia Soul, you're going to need trailer wiring. It's required by the law. Let's go ahead and break down that really easy install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. So our trailer wiring is going to connect to our vehicle's taillight harnesses. So we're going to start by removing the driver's side taillight. It's held in by 3 screws that we're going to remove using a Phillips screwdriver. To remove our taillight, there's 2 clips on the side right here that we'll need to remove. So we're just going to use our trim panel removal tool. Now we'll pull back on our taillight, and then we'll disconnect our taillight harness. We're going to push down on this tab right here, and that'll let us remove it, and we'll set aside our taillight. And then we'll go ahead and repeat on the passenger side taillight. Now we're going to take our T connector with the yellow and brown wire, and we're going to plug it into our driver's side taillight harness. Now we're going to take our white wire with the terminal, and we're going to ground it behind our taillight using the provided self-tapping screw. Now we're going to take our 4-flat harness and our T connector with the green and red wire, and we're going to route it underneath our vehicle through the bumper. There's an opening right here that we're going to bring it down. And then we'll take our converter box and we're just going to push it down right behind our bumper. Now that we have these wires underneath our vehicle, we're going to take our T connector and we're going to run it to the passenger side, going through our bumper support. Now that we have our T connector by the passenger side, we're going to use a fish wire technique to pull it up through our bumper. We're just going to take some extra wire and we're going to route it through the bumper, down underneath. Now we're going to take our fish wire and we're going to tape it to our T connector. And now that we have it taped, we're just going to pull it right up through the bumper. And now that we have it up, we're going to remove our tape and fish wire. Now we'll go ahead and plug in our T connector to our passenger side wiring harness. And then we have a little bit of extra slack. We're going to go ahead and zip tie that up so that that extra slack doesn't go by the exhaust. Now with everything in place, we'll go ahead and reinstall our passenger side taillight. And we'll repeat on the driver's side. Now we're going to take our 4-flat harness and we're going to route it through our bumper towards our hitch receiver, following the same route as we did as our passenger side T connector. Now we're going to secure our 4-flat harness using a 4-flat mounting bracket. This isn't included with our kit, but you can pick it up at your closest U-Haul center or at uhaul.com. This will keep it from dangling and accidentally getting damaged by hitting the ground. And we're going to line it up at the bottom of our bumper right here. And using a 3/16 drill bit, we're going to drill our first hole. And then we'll bring our first screw into place. And then we're going to tighten our bracket onto the bumper using a 3/8 socket. And then we'll make sure that it's square. And then we'll do the same on the second hole. Now we'll take our harness and we'll put it into the bracket. And then we'll put our dust cover on. So we have a little bit of extra slack, so we're just going to pull it back behind the bumper. And then we're going to secure it using some zip ties. So that wraps up our trailer wiring install. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions or need more information on this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch center or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.